Check this out. This is by Viridec, and it's a hanging pot plant. How nice is this? It is so super durable, and it has these hanging strings as well as the stainless steel S-hook too, so you can hang it up. And look how nice it is. This measures 14 inches across, and you're gonna notice that it has several drain holes. It has 2 bigger ones right here and then 4 smaller ones. And that is perfect because your plants want some extra drainage. They don't want their legs to be drowning, right? So let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So here's a close-up of what it looks like, and here are the drainage holes. You're gonna get 6 drainage holes, and it measures 14 inches in diameter. And so super strong and durable. This is also all weather, and it's also fade resistant as well. Perfect and beautiful. Aren't these fantastic? So super durable and beautiful too. Perfect for any home decor. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.